On a normal day in the city, the superhero we once admired for his superpowers suddenly undergoes an unexpected change. They were no longer layered in tight clothing and wearing masks, but instead transformed into electrifying evil cats. Watch this exciting and hilarious story of unexpected changes that make superheroes turn into very unpredictable creatures. Welcome to Jezz Entertainment. Enjoy the amazing changes. Hulk. Wow, don't take it lightly. He still has a deadly scratch. Batman. Batman has mysterious claws. Don't be surprised if you hear meowing in the sky at night. Superman. Previously able to fly, now Superman flies with a new style, namely gliding from high places while meowing. The Flash. Flash's speed is now used to chase the feather toy, the ever-quick cat. Thanos. Thanos, the Mad Titan, is now Mad Kitty, who has unexpected powers. Green Lantern. Green Lantern's sharp claws are now more useful for damaging small objects. Ant-Man. Ant-Man, who can now shrink into a mini cat, but the small ones have incredibly sharp claws. Aquaman. From the deep ocean to the city streets, Aquaman now prefers to explore as a sea cat in search of adventure. Wasp. The wasp that once flew high, now flies low at high speed, ready to sting like a hungry cat. Deadpool. Deadpool, the violent Joker, now infiltrates cat style with his sharp humor. Thank you for accompanying us on our exciting adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates on the unique story of superheroes who turn into evil cats. Share this video with your friends who must be curious about this surprising transformation. See you in the next video, and remember, surprises can come from anywhere, even from our own heroes. Stay super and happy exploring.